friends, it's been a while, but we're going to go ahead and check our firewood bundle stand. So, see what we have. Apparently, I'm sold out. Some guy just called me and let me know that he's taken all that he had and was leaving the money in the box. Hallelujah. Looks like we got to make up some more bundles. Alrighty, that's it. We're going to make up some more bundles. Let's see, get the key. Look at that. There we go, huh? How about that? Hallelujah. All right. Oops. How about that, huh? Cool. Hey friends, welcome back to York Firewood. We're excited to be able to be back. We had some time off that we had. The missus had a hip replacement, and I was a little bit surprised by how much caretaking had to be done for her, and I didn't mind doing it, but it kind of took me away from other things, such as making videos and all that. Plus, Danny went away to camp. You went to camp, right, Danny?
Yeah, today.
You had a good time?
Yeah, all the time.
Awesome.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, a swimming pool. And did you go fishing?
Yeah.
Cool. And what else did you do? Well, it was run by Lions Club. Danny and I are a member of Lions Club. In fact, I'm president of current club in our local community here. But Danny got a chance to go to Lions Club camp. It's called Beacon Lodge. It's a great camp that they give for, actually started off as people camp for the blind, but they extended it to people with other disabilities. And Danny was able to go. Our local Lions Club sent Danny there, and it really appreciate it. So anyway, Danny was gone for a while, and we just had some unusual experiences with regards to weather. A tornado came through here, knocked down some trees, and we just have been so busy with the phone ringing off the hook, picking up the trees and trying to get loads of wood for our inventory. What else happened, Danny? Something else happened. You remember what else happened? Something else was going on. I can't remember what it was, to be honest with you. Oh, our phone kept overheating. We couldn't get the phone itself would not record because it was just too hot. And so we tried it now, and it's working fine. But anyway, we look forward to seeing the friends up at the Woodsman Days up at Boonville, and we'll get a chance to see you. Please say hello and ask us for a did I already say this? I mean, I've re-recorded this so many times I can't remember. But ask us for a sticker. We'll be glad to give you a sticker, and I'll like to get one from you too, so we could put on an Eastonmade Axis. If I said that again, I apologize. I've had to re-record this several times. You know, it's like the 6th or 7th take. So anyway, that's the way it goes when you're doing video. So Danny, what are you gonna say?
Great day.
Have a great day. You're looking forward to seeing Joe, right? At Boonville. Who else you looking forward to see?
Woo!
Yeah. You're looking forward to seeing Shibe. How about Patty and Jeff? And Brad? Brad, right? And who else? Your other friends, Dan, right? From back 40 Firewood, right?
Yeah.
Looking forward to him. Some other people. We've gotten to become friends with another guy locally, the Wolcotts. So Will Wolcott is here. He offered to be able to. He's going to be staying home this year instead of going to Boonville, but he offered to be able to take care of my wood stand while I'm away, and I really appreciate that. You know, people in this community, just stand-up people. I really appreciate that. And Will, thanks very much for that. And we want to give another shout out to Larry and Robin. We're looking forward to seeing you there. Larry and Robin, we got some firewood starter for you that we'll be bringing with us, so hopefully you'll see that. And we're also looking forward to meeting Hard-Working Man. So we're looking forward to seeing you guys, and hopefully we can get a sticker from you guys to be able to put on our Eastonmade Axis. Who else, Danny, we're looking forward to seeing? Quite a few people that are going to be there. So we're real excited. We're fired up about it. And, you know, oddly, the funny thing is, when I was looking at colleges, I was looking at going to Paul Smith's college, which they only had 2 majors. One was hotel motel management, and the other was forestry. And one of the things I liked, the fact they had varsity sport in lumberjacking. And lumberjacking has always fascinated me. So going to this is like a dream come true. It's when I was a kid in high school, it's one of the things I wanted to do, was do some lumberjacking just as a sport. And it's kind of cool to be able to do that now in my senior years, and kind of come full circle from, I guess, dreams and all that, because I think I put that down as a goal one time, to do some lumberjacking. So I'm not that we do lumberjacking, and I just don't have the physical ability to climb poles or climb a grease pole or whatever, but we're looking forward to watching the competition and watching these guys that can really cut and chop. So anyway, so hopefully we'll see you in Boonville, and look forward to us posting a video or 2 from the venue, and we are looking forward to that experience. Danny and I are going on vacation together, and Mrs. are going to stay here while she's still recuperating and recovering from a hip replacement surgery. So, and she's okay to be by herself. She's up and around, and it's kind of amazing what they do right now. So with hip replacements and all. So anyway, y'all take care, and looking forward to seeing you. Bye.